Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Inflatable Air Dancer. So we have got a gigantic fan, and here is our tube man. That is something. That is a fairly substantial fan. So you can see we do have a grate on here to make sure nothing is going to be dropping in there and damaging the fan. We also have a similar grate on the bottom because of course the air is going to be coming up from the bottom. On the bottom you can see our motor, and we've got our bag of casters. So we got about a 2-inch strip of Velcro going all the way around. We also have a D-ring here on the side. We got a couple of handles so we can carry the thing around. We got our power switch that is sealed in a membrane, so that is important. And we got what looks like a fairly long cord on here. And we got another D-ring here on the other side. So we can see in the manual we got a couple of different models. Ours is the 550WS1. So this is a 9/10 horsepower, 120 volts. So here's our caster. We do have a lock on it. They are all locking casters. And those attach with a washer, lock washer, and a nut. And it does come with a little wrench to install it. So for a little guy, we've got our loop material here on the bottom. We've got a little breakaway portion right there on one side. So I don't think it's too critical how we put this guy on. Just want it to get all the way around and then Velcro up on the end. And there's Mr. Happy. Pretty cool. That is pretty cool. And something else I noticed, it's got a face on this side. It's got another face on that side, so it doesn't matter which side you go to. It's not as loud as I thought it was going to be. That is pretty cool. All right.